A glimpse into the latest drone innovations brought to you by Pixel House. Drones, once confined to military applications, have taken flight into the mainstream, capturing the imagination of enthusiasts, professionals, and tech aficionados alike. The latest advancements in drone technology are pushing boundaries and unlocking new possibilities in various industries. In this video, we'll explore some of the cutting-edge features and innovations that define the latest generation of drones, autonomous intelligence. The era of intelligent drones is here. Advanced AI algorithms enable drones to navigate autonomously, avoiding obstacles and making real-time decisions. These intelligent systems not only enhance flight safety, but also open up new avenues for applications like search and rescue missions, surveillance, and even package delivery. Extended flight time. Improvements in battery technology have led to significant strides in drone endurance. Latest models boast extended flight times, allowing for more prolonged and efficient operations. This is particularly crucial in industries such as agriculture, where drones are used for crop monitoring, mapping, and precision agriculture. Advanced imaging systems. Drones are becoming increasingly sophisticated in capturing high-quality images and videos. The integration of advanced cameras, gimbals, and stabilization technologies ensures smooth footage and sharp images even in challenging conditions. This is revolutionizing fields such as cinematography, surveying, and environmental monitoring. Foldable and portable drones, making them easy to transport and convenient for users on the go. This is particularly beneficial for photographers, content creators, and adventurers who want to capture breathtaking moments from unique perspectives. 5G connectivity. The integration of 5G technology enhances communication between drones and their operators. This high-speed connectivity enables real-time data transfer, low-latency control, and facilitates the use of drones in applications like live streaming, remote inspections, and collaborative missions. Swarm technology. The concept of drone swarms, where multiple drones work together in a coordinated manner, is gaining traction. Swarm technology has applications in various fields, from entertainment light shows to industrial tasks such as environmental monitoring and infrastructure inspection. As the drone industry continues to evolve, so do regulations. Governments worldwide are adapting their policies to accommodate the growing use of drones. This includes airspace management systems, registration requirements, and safety protocols. Staying informed about these regulations is crucial for responsible drone ownership.